Hi, I'm John Skiba from the Consumer Warrior YouTube channel. I'm also a licensed attorney in the state of Arizona, and today I'm going to answer the question of how to stop a wage garnishment now. But if this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, please click subscribe, check on that little bell, that way you'll be notified each and every week when I put out new videos that help you deal with serious debt problems. All right, I want to talk today about wage garnishment and how to stop it. There's very few things that are as more disruptive to your financial life than a wage garnishment. Here in the state of Arizona, if a creditor gets a judgment against you, they can garnish your wages and they can take 25% of each and every paycheck. That's devastating to most people. And so it's not a big surprise that when a wage garnishment does hit, that's when a lot of people come and talk to someone like me, a bankruptcy attorney, to figure out how to stop that. The good news is it can be stopped pretty quickly. And if you act quickly after the garnishment hits your employer, it may even be able to be stopped before they even take one single payment out of your check. Here's how it works. When you file for bankruptcy, as soon as the case is filed with the bankruptcy court, they put an order in place that stops all collections against you. This means not only can they not continue to call you on the phone or send you snotty letters, they can't initiate lawsuits, they can't garnish your wages any further. Not only that, it's instant. So as soon as I file a bankruptcy petition with the bankruptcy court, I immediately get an electronic order that has the judge's signature on it that says everything must stop. So the way that it usually happens when people contact me to file for bankruptcy, we can file what's called an emergency bankruptcy filing. Normally bankruptcy, it's about a stack of documents about that big. It's about 90 pages long. However, they allow us to do an emergency filing where we just file the first few pages that have information like income, or that have your address, social security number, and your name. We file that with the court, just those first few pages, and immediately that stops any collections. So we get that order that stops garnishment, stops foreclosures on homes, stops phone calls, stops letters, stops everything. We provide that to your employer, we provide that to the creditor, and they are ordered by the court to immediately stop any type of garnishment going forward. So that's the quickest way to deal with it. And then in the bankruptcy itself, they will discharge the underlying debt itself so it goes away completely. So if you're dealing with a wage garnishment, I know that it's very stressful. It makes people wonder how they're going to make ends meet. A statistic recently said 80% of U.S. households live paycheck to paycheck. So wage garnishment is devastating. I get that. The quickest way to stop it is through what's called an emergency Chapter 7 bankruptcy filing. If that's something that you want to learn more about, contact me at the information below. I do a free consultation. It's even possible to get something like that filed as quickly as same day. We can talk to you, do some of the initial paperwork, get all that ready to go, and get that garnishment stopped immediately. Thanks for watching today.